Hi abusuafo, ene menemo eche senia meye okro stew. I hope say baby am will be am. Alright, so in this recipe, I share with you how I prepare this simple and yet delicious okro stew. Very slimy, guys. So in the pot, I have my protein going on there. It's cow meat, cow legs, and I go in with ginger powder, garlic powder, and onion powder, and some salt to taste, guys. Seasoning is always of your choice, remember. And also I'll go in with hot water. Yes, I added hot water because I want the meat to boil so fast. Okay, moving forward, I'm going to cover it and prepare the okra. So in another pot, I have my chopped onion, chopped okra, and I'm going to also go in with baking soda. The baking soda, I'm using just a quarter teaspoon of it, or you can use a pinch, not too much. And I also go in with hot water. Yes, the hot water always help the boiling system. It will boil the food that you are cooking so fast. That is why I always use boiled water. And also I have my bitter leaves, or awonyune. Ghana we call it awonyune, edepa, and these leaves have some health benefits. So guys, you can give it a try. It's very delicious as well. It's not that bitter. Right, that is why I said Ghana leaves awonyune. Okay, so in the pot, I also go in with my oil. I'm using palm nut oil, okay, which is red oil zumi. And I go in with my stinky fish, which is Momoni. This is Sentinel last stop, guys. And I also add the onion into it. And I'm going to stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, guys, so after 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's okay. So now I'll also go in with the fish. Alright, so now the fish is in there. So let me take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers and my returnees. You guys are really amazing. Thank you all so much, guys. We are almost 1K. Please push my video, okay? Thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. And also, if you were new here and you are seeing this channel for the first time, kindly support your girl. Subscribe to this channel, okay? Share my videos to your loved ones, and also give me your comments, like, and please don't forget the bell notification so that you get all my videos as soon as I upload them on YouTube. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, guys, so I'm adding in some tomatoes, which is one big size of tomato, but you can also skip the tomato part if you don't want, and your stew is still gonna be nice, trust me. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so now it's time for me to add the meat. So I'm going to add the meat and also the stock on the meat. Enumu ena de no esheno. It's yede enamone hunsu ni bi ebegu stew nim na enenu aiden abne kama. Okay. Alright, guys. Intino se wonso so sa wo hwe video till now. If you are watching the video till now and you are not subscribing to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please, the subscription is free. Subscribe to my channel and also share my videos, okay? Thank you. All right, let's move forward, guys. So now I'm going to cover it so that it will boil correctly, and I'm going to cook this stew on a medium heat, guys. All right, guys, so let's move forward. Okay, so now it's time for me to add the okra. It's ready. See how it is, so slimy, guys. You can see yeah, sanam peno. After adding the okra, I'll also turn the fire to low medium heat. otherwise the okra will burn. Okay, and I'm going to let it cook for just additional 5 minutes, then it's done. That was the reason why I try my best to make the stew fully cooked, okay, before adding in your okra. So now that your stew is perfectly done, if you add the okra at this stage, it's okay. You shouldn't cook it too long on a fire, okay? You are not going to have any problem at all, trust me. And this is how you are going to achieve your okra to be slimy, if you want slimy okra. All right, so guys, as you can see, the okra is ready, and I add additional onion on top. So please bring your swallow. The okra is ready, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. This is end of today's video. Thank you for your patience, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Thank you for watching. Bye.